Greetings friends! I hope this video finds you well. Thank you so much for choosing to hang out with me today. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Emily and I am a wife and stay-at-home mama. Today's video is all about catching up on my to-do list and odds and ends around my home. I don't know about you, but I feel like things all of a sudden pile up and then I need to spend a full day catching up to get through the rest of the week. That day always seems to be Wednesday for me. Therefore, I am deeming this video Catch Up Day Wednesday. I plan on posting this type of video every single week, so be sure to check back in next week if you enjoy this type of content. That's all from me for now. I'll be popping in every so often in the audio of this video to make a comment or two, but for now, welcome once again and please enjoy the video. A few of my friends and I were chatting the other day and neither of them ever really washed their clothes on warm. Is that weird that I do? I always grew up washing certain clothes on warm, like underwear, socks, etc. But now I'm wondering if that's kind of an anomaly. Do any of you wash your clothes warm or do you wash everything cold? Let me know down in the comments below. As you can see in this clip here, my fridge is looking a little scary. I try to clean out the fridge once a week on the day that I grocery shop, but for some reason this week it just needed some extra help. I had done a deep clean and reorganization of my fridge back in the fall, but honestly it was already in need of a clean again. So I reorganized, wiped down the shelves, and wiped out all of the storage containers, and it looks so much better. Okay, now on to the freezer. My freezer gets nuts so fast, you guys. I meal prep a lot of food for my son that ends up going in the freezer, and after a while it gets super crowded. So I decided not to only clean and reorganize the freezer, I also went through everything to figure out what I could transfer down to the deep freezer. I consolidated what I am keeping in the upstairs freezer, and it is so much better now, much more manageable. In this next clip here, you can just see that I'm starting to clean the floor and prep to mop, and I just love watching this clip back because it's so cute that my son wants to help. He loves to use the Swiffer and the broom, and he was trying to help me with the dustpan. It was just so adorable. By the time I got to mopping, he was kind of over it because he wanted to do the mopping instead of me, so I just put him in my ring sling, which you can see in the next clip here, and he was much more happy so he could be up above the action and watch me mop. Okay friends, as we are coming to a close, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I know there are millions, if not billions, of videos you could be watching on YouTube, so it means the world that you are choosing to hang out with me. If you enjoyed any part of this video or found it helpful or interesting, would you please give it a thumbs up? And be sure to check back in next week for another catch-up day Wednesday. Take care. Bye-bye.